Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline, and on this amazing episode I'm gonna teach you how to make vegetable nuggets. Stay tuned, give me that like, subscribe. Yes, let's get started guys. This is a very easy snack for you to prepare in the house. I'll show you the ingredients first. So you need 2 cups of flour, some potatoes, like 10 potatoes, some bell peppers, some onions, dhania, more onions, carrots and garlic. To season, you need salt, you need cumin, you need paprika, black pepper, and of course some vegetable oil and 1 cup of hot oil. So the first thing we're going to do is boil our potatoes. So we're going to boil them first. Let them boil. As that is cooking, we're going to work on our dough. Put some water. Mix this up. Sprinkle some salt. A bit of water. And of course a bit of oil. Mix them nicely until the butter comes together. So as you can see, we're going to cover this and let it rest for 5 minutes. So the next thing you're going to do, in a pan, we're going to put some oil. And then we're going to put in some cumin powder. Going to stir in our onion. That cook for a minute. Gonna put in our garlic and our carrots. Cook for about a minute or 2. At this point, you're going to add your bell peppers. The aroma, wow, it smells so good. You're going to spice a bit. You're going to use turmeric. You're going to use paprika, and then you're going to have some black pepper as usual. I'm going to put some salt. going to cover this and let it cook for 5 minutes. Wow, our stew is done. Look at that. The aroma is amazing. Wow, that is good. Also done. We're gonna drain all the water out. Switch this off. Drain all the water out. Then we're going to mash these potatoes one at a time. Just mash it. Completely. I'm gonna add the mashed potatoes into our vegetables just like that. Gonna add that. Make sure they are all combined completely. Smells so good. Add a bit of salt. Gonna mash this completely together. Till they are all mixed up. You can add some coriander. Look at that, looks so good. So we are going to let this cool a bit for 10 minutes. So we switch off our gas as we work on our pockets, on our vegetable nuggets. Yes. So this is done. Looks so yummy. Look at that. So let that rest as we work on our nuggets. After 20 minutes, our butter is ready. So what we're going to do is pour some oil on pour some flour on our surface and just cut a bit of our dough. Put it in here. Then you make sure you flood your, so you just cut them into balls, just like that. Depending on the size you want to have, you can have this size, this one, and that one. You flour your surface, then you just roll it a bit. You can roll a circular way. It's a bit thick. Make sure it's a bit thick. That's okay. That size is okay. So we're going to put our filling. So you roll like a ball. we're going to put our potato filling, but before that we heat our pot, and then we're going to put our oil inside to deep fry. You can do half a quarter the size of the sphere. So we're gonna pick our filling. We're going to scoop in like one tablespoon. You squeeze into a bowl first, then you can roll it out. I'm going to put this at the center, and you just close this in. No particular shape, you can do that shape. You can cut the sides. Then on this side, using a fork, going to have the shape that you want to have for your nuggets. There you go. You can continue this step for all your nuggets. These are ready to be put in hot oil. Remember, don't use your hands. Don't burn yourself. Just put them in a spoon, then you dip gently. There you go. Can put 3 at a time. We are turning them. Oh, so brown. Look at that. Looks amazing. Looks so good. Yeah, look at that. So crispy. They look amazing. So on a plate you can put some paper napkins, and then we're going to remove our nuggets. Look at that, so brown and so crispy, so done. It is so good. A very awesome vegetable snack for you and your family to love, and for your guests too. Look at that, amazing. And you don't have to make them this big. Actually, you can make small, tiny sizes for you to enjoy. Look at these vegetable nuggets. So nice and so healthy, crispy, so golden. They look so lovely. I love them. I love them for my family. And I'm gonna have a taste. So crunchy, so golden. Look at that. I'm gonna cut where we can see the vegetable. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. That veggie oozing out. Look at that. Look at that. It's delicious. It is so good. I love because it is a vegetable nugget and it's so crispy, so lovely. It is so delicious. I hope you've enjoyed this episode making these vegetable nuggets. If you've enjoyed it, comment down below, give me that like, and don't forget to subscribe. So that's it, guys. Bye bye.